Today we're gonna make a drink right now, telling you don't even, just pause. Well, no, because you can't hear what I'm gonna say. Double the ingredients of what we're gonna make at a bare minimum, and then make it with us, and then you can taste it with us, and you'll still have some for yourself because it's really easy.
And you want to know what else to do with this?
Yes, this is what you're gonna do with it.
Midori-powered.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek are showing you how to make a green pirate sour. Neither of us made this. Neither of us being all three of us.
Pirate sour.
Green pirate sour. Again, this is the 18th. This is like day after, probably after St. Patrick's Day. This is the day you come off your high and you keep doing some more, and boom, you're going to be rolling right into more green drinks. That, and this has nothing really specifically to do with St. Patrick's Day outside the fact that it says green. And she built this recipe with ChatGPT based on something she heard somebody have. My daughter have at a place in Canada. It's right over there.
Right there.
Oh, there's trash here.
Yeah, I pre-planned for the egg whites.
Thank you.
So this
story goes.
is a ChatGPT?
Yeah, so Brianna said this drink looks interesting, and I think she said it was fine or tasty.
That's what she got.
That was what she got.
A little lower. that's where the cloth is.
So she's like, I had this drink and it has some of these ingredients, maybe all of these ingredients. And Jennifer's like, well, I don't know what that is. So she asked ChatGPT, and ChatGPT didn't know what it was. So she said, well, make me a drink that would have those ingredients, and this is what it did.
No, I skipped the what is this part. I just said make me a drink that would have these ingredients.
Did you try it?
No. That's what I'm doing now.
Thanks, Jen. I'm glad you're sitting over there.
I'll try it when you make it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
After you see my face.
So you're not gonna try this one?
No.
No, because he's not making it.
Yeah.
You don't want to try it?
No, yeah, I do want to try
Oh, okay. I'm like, is it because I'm making it? You don't want to drink it now? What did I do,
No,
Dan?
I would take your make over Dan's making it. Dan's all insulted.
I'm just gonna shut up now.
the recipes.
I don't know if this is heartburn or heart age.
Well, let's face it. You'll take it as long as somebody else is making it.
Yeah. Oh, she'll take it.
The executive producer is Matthew Mason, by the way. And
He's a good guy.
he is. And he's on Patreon. You can go to patreon.com/CMC if you want to help promote the show and donate to the show, rather. The recipe is going to be 1 ounce of these two ingredients, Midori and Captain Morgan. Right. I just use straight up old Captain Morgan original. We have some private stock in there and some special cherry cask one, but we're just going original. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 1 egg white, 2 dashes of orange bitters. So realistically, do you have orange? Oh, we have orange bitters.
Yeah. Gotta stay true to the origins of the cocktail, so you can't go the private stock route.
But based on what I'm seeing, this is a Midori sour with Captain Morgan spice.
Yes.
And
That's pretty
orange
much,
bitters.
yeah.
And we all like Midori sours.
Optional, but adds depth for the orange bitters. Is that something you put in?
No, no.
ChatGPT.
If
It really did?
yes, it will. I removed most of those. It does it for like all of us. Like, this is why you're using this ingredient. This is why you're doing this.
Okay.
So it explains everything, which is great. But I don't need that, so I removed a lot of them. But sometimes I miss. And this is one of those cases.
Yeah, she better look good.
Yeah, wow.
Work that.
Really going.
That's my
Oh, you're dry shaking because I'm like, that was really quiet. So a dry shake
It was
is
a good dry shake. It's still sealed.
this is wow, yeah, that is true, because usually a dry shake it's a little rough to. So
turn it into.
if you want to dry shake your cocktails with your egg whites, you add your egg whites or your aquafaba, or if you're like vegan and you don't like to kill unborn chickens, shake it dry, put ice, shake it again loudly.
Did we need to chill the glass? I can't remember. I can't see. Is there another? Are there more steps?
I doubt ChatGPT would have you chill a glass, but okay. It just says let the foam settle. Coupe or rocks glass, so that's pretty close.
I'm still trying to imagine what the Midori and the Captain Morgan are going to taste like.
Do you have
sweet
a
and spicy.
Hawthorne strainer, sir?
I have a Hawthorne.
I said a Hawthorne strainer.
I know, and I gave you a non-Hawthorne
I
strainer
gave you a julep strainer.
for all those popular juleps. Oh, I have another Hawthorne strainer. Oh, you have the right. That's the right Hawthorne.
That's the right one.
Yeah, that's so.
I mean, it looks good.
It
It
is
looks creamy.
It looks like velvet, buddy.
Need a bartender,
Oh, I
starter
like
kit.
it when it's creamy. Look
You
at that.
shake her like
Perfect
that.
size.
I'll show
Look
you
at that. Welcome back, Ian.
Oh, sorry.
You shook the crap out of that.
Yeah.
I shook the shit. I shook it like a baby.
You gotta let it settle now.
You gotta
No,
let it
you gotta let it
settle. That's what
No,
ChatGPT said.
you got to get that foam on your stash.
No, you gotta let it settle. It'll still be foam.
Dude, you could see it starting to birth down.
Yeah,
But it's taking a sweet ass time.
you gotta let it birth.
It's crowning.
Yes, you gotta give it a nice
It's
little
coming
head
out.
on the top.
Yeah, see?
It looks like a Midori. It looks like stuff you get at the back bar.
It does.
If
It
they
actually looks.
if they put like one of those little plastic
That's a
things
good
around
shape.
it, garnish it.
ChatGPT for the win. I'll say.
Well,
I mean, let's be honest here. ChatGPT is just taking the world of all cocktails and going, well, this works.
yeah, but that's what we do.
I gave it the ingredients.
You didn't give it the ratios,
Right, I told it to make a balanced drink, so it
All right.
took
That's the
that.
hard-
ChatGPT and Jen for the win.
right? And she plagiarized it by taking things that
From Brianna.
Brianna
From
at a
but she
bar.
got it from a bar. So everybody's a winner. How's that?
all right, everybody wins in this. Let's see if we're all going to win together.
It did make the mezcal one that was not from a bar, so we'll see.
That's good. That's foam without any pineapple. Oh,
Yeah.
but that's a.
You have an egg white in there.
But
You got it
usually
cheap.
an egg white isn't such a fine foam. Like
Yeah,
pineapple
that's
makes a
good.
really fine foam.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, but that'll last for a while. Because like, that's the egg white working for you. All that.
It's good.
You know what's weird?
Just like Midori sour, but like with no like.
But you get that
But, like-
you get that
You're
sweet.
gonna have to get up here
Mm.
before
Yeah,
because
I know.
that's gonna go
Mm.
fast, Jen.
Can
Mhm.
you taste the
Yeah, you
rum?
could. Yeah, you could taste the rum. I think more in this.
A little
drink.
bit.
I think you taste rum more in this than you do in a rum and coke.
No, it's like at the back
I
end.
guess it depends how much rum they put in the rum and coke.
The Midori comes first. I mean,
Oh yeah. The
Yeah.
sweetness,
Yeah.
and then like that, like whatever it is that makes Captain Morgan's flavor. I don't know. if
it
it's
tastes like a flat Midori sour.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit dried out,
Mm.
How's it flat?
more so than like a normal.
No, because you put like Sprite in.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're right.
Yeah.
That's why. Because I'm
Yeah.
like, I understood what you were
Right.
saying, but I couldn't remember why that
Mm.
would be. But yeah, you had the
It's
little.
really good.
It is actually really good.
But yeah, it's the.
But that's like you make that, and we finished drinking in like 3 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't help that it's completely flat. So it's like when you drink those Nestea iced teas,
Mm.
and you're like, what do? You get more foam on the side of your face than you have
Oh,
face.
that's good. You do get the rum like in the back though.
Yeah.
The finish is.
But I don't know
rum.
what
Yeah.
that is. If it's
It kind of adds to me. It
allspice?
kind of adds like a cherry flavor almost.
what is that?
Oh.
I get that a lot out of like just Midori drinks in general.
It'd be interesting to do it with Soko then.
Mm.
Be oakier, maybe.
And have a
Have
little
to have
tang to it.
ChatGPT come up with that one.
That's good.
You get those specific flavors. The problem is it's like a can of like the Nestea iced tea stuff where like if you open a can of soda and like a can of iced tea,
You're more thirsty after the iced tea. than
but
when
it's
you
gone in
start
like 3
drinking it.
seconds.
Oh yeah.
You're just like, boom, gone. And you finish like 3 or 4 and be like, I'm really full. I don't understand because you just drank like a gallon of fucking
You just drank
iced
a
tea.
cup of sugar.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. There's some sugar in it.
Pretty much
Mm.
drinking there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very much a sweeter drink. I think
It's good.
it's all it now is like a little foam.
You probably could.
Till you let it sit.
How much sugar was in there again?
Just
Half ounce. I mean, not a lot, but I mean,
You could maybe even go to a quarter ounce.
Captain Morgan and
Oh, yeah.
Midori are not known as.
Right.
They're basically liqueurs.
Yeah. I mean that's true.
What's going on?
I wonder if you use a different rum.
It's so good once it hits your lips.
We can't take you anywhere.
I try not to get it on my mustache. I just put on my beard.
You didn't get
Yeah, you
it.
can get on your mustache and go.
Yeah. Yeah, whatever.
It is good.
And the
It's
feed.
really
Shit.
It's gone.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that okay.
I'll
So
have to make another one of those later.
so here's the critique with this one.
Dan's like it's already.
Damn it.
He drank all that one too. You need to make.
This is easy.
This is clearly not the right ratio or right setup.
Big
Here.
enough,
You
yeah.
need like 3 ounces of Midori, 3 ounces of Captain Morgan, and then 3 times whatever all those other things are.
and that's just for you.
yeah, you could cut down. You can cut
If
down.
you start
on the
making it
simple.
for other people, it's hard to. You can't batch this.
Yeah.
You could probably leave out the simple serve entirely and just make it that way, and maybe add a little at the end if you put it in a
Why
big
would
jug.
you-
The rum might come by through too much though.
Yeah, but it's you don't. How much sugar do you think's
I
in
think
Captain
even
Morgan?
with the
Yeah,
bitters,
that's
you
true.
can do a quarter of a quarter
Yeah.
Yeah,
instead of a half.
but it comes out to half when you double your recipe, right? Like
Well, yeah.
you this needs to be in a jug. This dude, you put this in a jug. Like
yeah, but
at
the
a
egg
party?
white though makes it like
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be jug.
that's where the egg white elevates it. Because if it's just in a jug, You're just drinking like fucking juice. Like
You're not fancy.
you're not fancy. When you have the foam on top, it's a whole
I
different
don't know
level.
how you solve this problem.
It's
It's
just
a
gonna
whole-
disappear a lot, right?
Yeah.
Maybe put it in an EC container, an EC whip container. And
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Mm.
Can you make this shoot out like a CO2 container? Like, can you just like make?
Or no, or you just make the foam,
Water?
so you have the drink,
Oh,
and
yeah,
then you
yeah,
just
yeah.
have then you make the foam and top it with the foam.
Yeah. Because all it needs to do is sit on top
Yeah,
to give you the effect. I mean, there is definitely an inherent smoothness and silkiness by having
Yeah.
it. And the other option is you make the jug of it, you pour it into the shaker, you dry shake, add ice, shake, and pour it out. But that way you don't have to keep building the rest
Yeah.
of the drink.
Can you
over
batch
and over.
Oh,
with the
sure.
citrus too?
that's true.
You can batch as long as you drink it all.
Yeah,
That doesn't seem to be a
yeah.
problem.
Could you batch?
Right. I batch all the
You
time.
batch with
I wouldn't.
You just can't leave it.
Right.
Like,
You wouldn't want to leave
you
it
have
there,
to-
and you wouldn't want to keg it.
Yeah.
You need like an oil. Yeah, you wouldn't do that. So there.
That's what I was thinking.
Hey, give that drink a try. Thanks, ChatGPT, for this one.
It's really good.
But again, just double everything we just did, and you'll be able to at least have a drink with us while you're watching. That's it. Links below for OnStreaks.com. Pick up some bar gear. Help support your local me, and that's it. What did you drink?